Where did the responsibilities come from? They really caught me off guard. We were living together now. Finally, a dream came true. However, it went quicker than it came. I became overwhelmed, almost dumb. I was caught in a discard. Was this a crop from seeds sowed? Is this what I had spent years to pursue? To become quickly a person inflamed in shame. You outgrew me quicker than I knew, leaving behind feelings of a lasting disregard. This poem is titled You and Me, and I am doing a Behind the Poem series where I talk about the inspiration behind the poems of this book, How We Love and How We Grieve, poems of you and me. And this one is another poem about my ex girlfriend and I, and how, after years of pursuing a relationship with her and even moving across the country to go live and work and teach in Japan with her and to be with her. She left me after I shared my family trauma with her. Yeah. And back then too, I did a lot of balcony gardening, so um the crop sowed is just with reference to my hobby as well at the time during writing these poems. So this is basically the inspiration behind You and Me, and I would recommend you to get a copy of this book so you can follow along more easily, and even read some of the poems so you can share some of your own thoughts and insight, because I would really like to hear your feedback or your opinions. Yeah. And trust me, her and I don't even talk anymore. um Sometimes she does cross my mind. I don't know if I cross hers, or I don't know, but yeah, she did discard me and left me without any regards whatsoever. So it might be one of the worst partners she has ever had in her lifetime. And thanks for watching. And remember to get a copy of this book.